how he do it here with another helpful hint. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly navigate on a YouTube video using your keyboard. A lot of people don't know about this shortcut, and it's actually pretty cool and super easy to do. So I'm going to go ahead and start a video. Okay. And here is the shortcut. The shortcut is that each number on the keyboard represents 10% of the video play. So if I hit the number 5, it's 50%. It will go to the middle of the video. Watch. You see that? If I hit 2, it'll go to 20% of the video. If I hit 1, it will be at 10% of the video. If I hit 9, it's going to go to 90% of the way of the video. So that's it. Hope you like this tip. This will help you navigate YouTube videos quickly.